All right, so our next subtopic is binomial expansions. Now, binomial expansion, before we look at these examples and solve them, I would like to talk about binomial expansion a little bit. Now, bi, the bi means two. Bi means two. Bi means two. Now, so we are talking about something two coming together. And what do we mean by? We mean two brackets. How to multiply two brackets together. When you see two brackets, how to multiply it. So let's say we have A plus B and also C plus D. They are two brackets. We want to multiply them. They are two brackets. Now, the best advice I can give as far as this is concerned is that the first letter over here, the first letter will multiply by everything in the second bracket. And the second letter will also multiply by everything over here. So how do we do it? We write the A, then bring the second bracket, C plus D. Then the B has a plus, so plus D. Then bring C plus what? D. So A times C will give me AC. A times D will give me AD. B times C will give you BC. And also B times D will give you what? BD. So that is the simplification we are talking about. Just like that. Okay. But in a case we have numbers and letters that look alike, like terms, we will simplify. We will bring them together to simplify them. Are we good? So that is it. Now, let's take our first example here. We have 2t plus r in the first bracket. In the second bracket, we have 2t minus r. The same thing we did over here. The first one here will multiply everything in the bracket, and the second one also multiply everything in the bracket. So we bring my 2t out from here. Then I bring this one. That is 2t minus r. Then this r will come. We've used this one to multiply, so the r2 will come. And the r has a plus. So plus r bracket 2t minus r, like that. After we are done, what do? We multiply each bracket. Now it has this. What we have here has become something like this: A bracket C plus D. When we are expanding something like this, you multiply this by this and multiply this by that, so you get AC plus what? AD. This is what we have over here. So this 2t multiplied by what? Another 2t. So 2 times 2 will give you 4, and t times 2 will give you what? T squared. Are we good? And I bring my minus 2t times r will give you what? 2tr. Then there's a plus here. Plus times 2tr will give you what? Plus 2tr. Then r times minus r will give you minus r squared. Minus r squared. So what do? We can see that this is 4t squared, and this is 2tr, and this is 2tr. This minus 2tr and this plus 2tr. So minus and plus, they will go away. So it's like 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1. They will vanish. So if this and this vanish, you let it what? 4t squared minus r squared. So that will be our final answer. Just like that. Now the second example says that we have v minus u in one bracket, and also 2x minus y in another bracket. The same way, we pick the v here and multiply it by 2x minus y. Then we bring the second one, minus u, and multiply it by what? 2x minus what? Y. Then we go ahead to we just go ahead to simplify. So v times 2x will give you what? 2xv. Then v times y will give you minus v y, or yv, anyhow you write it, minus v times this will give you minus 2xu. Then minus u times minus y will give you plus uy. Now, do we have like terms in this? We don't have like terms, because this is what? 2xv. This vy. We don't have like terms. So that will be our final answer. Because if we bring like terms, if we bring it together, you force to factorize. If you factorize, you come back to the question. So that will be our final, because we can't do anything to this again. Because they are different things. Though there's y here, there's y here, but this has v and this does u, so they are not the same. Are you okay? So that's our final answer. All right, so let's take the third example. Now, the third example, it says that a plus b in one bracket and a minus 2b in another bracket. So we are grouping them. So you can pause the video here and solve it. After that, you play and see whether we all had the same thing. So we are getting a bracket, a minus 2b, then plus b bracket, a minus 2b. Then we multiply. A times a gives you a square minus 2ab plus ab minus 2b square. But we can see that 2ab, we have minus 2ab here, we have ab here, so we can subtract. I'm going to get a square, and this one give you minus ab minus 2b square. So that's this minus ab is gotten from here. We have negative 2 of ab over here, and we have positive ab here. So when it's like minus 2 plus 1, you get minus, right? So that's our final answer. Okay, now let's solve this one. Now we can see that we the one that we're solving. Okay, let's solve this one before we come here. So now with this one, we can also pause it here. After that, then you check. So you have y bracket y minus y plus 3, then plus 3 bracket y plus 3. Are we good? So this one needs to give me y square plus this one needs to give me what? 3y plus another 3y plus 9. Then I'm going to get y square, 3y plus 3y give me what? 6y plus 9. That's all. That's all. Please don't be confused with this. It will not be 6y squared. We have 3 of y here, we have 3 of y here. So when we carry together, we get what? 6 of y. Now let's come here. We have this question. This is 2 brackets, and this is also another 2 brackets, but they are adding. Now it's so simple that we will solve. We will expand this one and expand this one in respect to the plus we have in the middle. Okay. So with this and this, we will bring the 2x out. Then we bring what? X minus y. Then we bring minus y here. Then we bring x minus y. Then this plus will come. Then another 2x will come. Then x plus y will come. Minus y here. Then x plus y will come. Like that. That's how we do. Then we multiply 2. So this and this will give me what? 2x square. 2x times x will give you 2x square. Then minus 2xy minus xy minus plus y square plus 2x square plus 2xy minus xy minus y square. So after we had that, we can see that some of the letters look alike. So we'll take those ones out. Now you can see that this is y square. This y square and this is minus y square. So y square and minus y square will go away. Now you can also see that this is minus xy and this is also minus xy. So we can delete. Fine. We can see minus 2xy and also plus 2xy. So minus 2xy and 2xy will go to 0. So what are we left with? We are left with this and that and this. So we are going to get 2x square plus another 2x square minus xy then minus another xy. We're going to get 4x square minus 2xy. That will be our final answer. It's so simple. We just have to respect the negative and positive signs. Okay, so try this one for me under binomial expansions. Try this one for me. If you have any question that is baffling you too, you can send it to me. We'll solve it together. So try this. So we have x plus k and also 2x minus k. We also have x minus y bracket x plus y. Then the last one we have 4x minus y in the bracket x minus y. So solve these three. You know my number. You send it to me, then I'll check it for you. If you have any question that is disturbing you too, just let me know and we'll solve them together. So thank you very much and have a great day. Let's move to the next subtopic under algebraic expression, that is factorization, in the next video.